Demonstration School, Mysore. Today, I am going to demonstrate Activity 5.4 of Chapter 5, 7th Standard Science, CBSE. The materials required for this activity are
hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide also known as lime water, test tube and stand, beakers, droppers, indicators that are blue litmus paper, red litmus paper, turmeric paper made from turmeric solution and filter paper, solution extractor from hibiscus flower also known as China rose.
I have made dilute solution of these chemicals. Now we shall test these chemicals with the indicators. First, we shall test with blue litmus paper.
Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, now red litmus. Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, next turmeric paper. hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide,
Now we shall take these chemicals in test tube to test with extract of hibiscus flower. Now we shall add the hibiscus extract.
hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide,
The observation is blue litmus when added to acidic solution changes into red color, but when added to basic solution no change in color. Similarly, red litmus when added to acidic solution no color change, but when added to basic solution turns into blue color. Likewise, turmeric paper when added to acidic solution no color change, but when added to basic solution it changes into red color. Finally, extract of hibiscus when added to acidic solution changes into dark pink, but when added to basic solution changes into green. From this activity, we conclude that acidic solution changes blue litmus into red and basic solution changes red litmus into blue. Similarly, basic solution changes turmeric paper into red. Further, extract of hibiscus changes into dark pink color when added to a acidic solution and changes into green color when added to a basic solution. Thank you.